Hey everybody. Alright, so this is Lazy Susans. We use a bunch of them. We use them on our baskets. We use a 4-inch Lazy Susan and a 3-inch Lazy Susan. And these things, they have several holes drilled into them. You know, top and bottom. You got some that are further from the corner, some that are right on the corner. And so when you use these things, I didn't realize how, I've always wondered why people had 4 holes in their bottoms and 4 holes in different things when they put Lazy Susan mechanisms on. And then I didn't want to have to order a bunch of them, bigger ones, for me to use. So I went to Home Depot and I bought one of these things here. And I got to reading the instructions on the back of these things. That's too complicated. There's too much crap to do, and you only need 1 hole in this thing. You know, so it makes it super easy to put on. And because they want you to put your mechanism on here, you know, line it up, and then pre-drill your holes, and then they want you to take your thing and turn it over and countersink your holes and for your screws to go in. Ain't no sense in that. What we'll do is you can take, like I said, you got your mechanism, simply center it up on your mechanism, on your bottom, the piece you're going to mount it to first. You know, what you're going to put your screws through. And you can do this one of 2 ways. You can take you a punch and simply knock your little old hole right there, and then you can take your drill. I don't know if that bit there is sharp or not. You know, if you got a drill, use a drill. If not, if you got a drill press, you use a drill press. But you're just going to drill your hole, wet drills. Dull drill. They buy me a sharpener. So you just want to drill your hole right there like that. And then what you're going to do is you'll take your mechanism, put it back up here, center it up, and then put your 4 screws in. Nice and straight for an eyeball job. But you'll just put your 4 screws in this side. And then all you have to do is turn your piece upside down, set it on here, and I didn't drill a big enough hole to put my screw through. Yeah. What you'll do is you just take your drill, put your screw on there, run your drill in there, turn it to the next one, and put them all down, and then it's mounted. You don't have 4 holes in the bottom of it. Like if you turn it upside down, I don't want to see screw holes. And if you want to plug this hole, if you do a 3/8, you can get a 3/8 plug or something like that, and just put a wood plug in it and sand it off if you want it smooth. But that's the easiest thing. The way they tell you to do the instructions on the back of here, that's ridiculous. But just lay your mechanism up there, mark you a hole, drill your 1 hole, mount your mechanism back, and then put your screws in on it, and then turn it upside down and put your screws in, and that's all you got to do. It's not no rocket science or anything like that, but they sure want to make it difficult on those other mechanisms. Now I got a big enough hole. We put on so many of these things, we get used to just eyeballing these suckers. See how straight we are. Straight enough for government work anyways. Back here. just like that. Then you wind up with just one little old hole to put your screws in and out. You just simply turn it from one screw to the next to put them in. No sense in having 4 holes when you see your screws. And that's all it is to it. Thank you very much. Y'all stay foxy.